Sub by $8 for just 10 video generations. Seriously, if you're tired of AI created game, I found a hidden backdoor into Google's VEO. Most people are using this tool for boring presentations, but they're missing the gold mine. It's actually a direct portal into Google's most powerful video AI. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact workflow to generate pro-level videos that would usually cost you a fortune. Let's get into it. Right now I'm using Chrome, so if I click in here, I will see Vids in this part. If you're using other browsers, you can simply search Google Vids and open the workspace of Google. In here, you will see all the products that Google has, and you can also use Vids. That's a welcome screen. I close it. Okay, right now, as you can see, we have VEO in here, and in this part, we have image generation. With this part, we can generate videos. In this inspiration part, you will see a prompt, and you will also see the result. In here, I describe what I want. As you can see, these two options are disabled because if you want to use them, you need to upgrade this stuff. In this part, you can change the aspect ratio, landscape, and portrait. I don't change it. Now I press on generate. As you can see, that's not good at all, okay, because we have a laptop screen and this screen is backwards, okay, just a stupid one. So because of that, in a normal case that we use AIs, we don't use create from scratch, this option. We won't use this one. Instead, we'll go to the image, create an image generation, and after that, come back into this part. Okay, the point is right now, I need to change this one and choose animate an image. Okay, with this way I can upload the image. But before that, I need to go back into the image part and generate an image for myself. Okay, right now for image generations, I prefer ChatGPT because that one create better image for me, not the nano banana. I don't know, maybe on future updates this bug fixed. Okay, in this part I forgot to change the aspect ratio. Okay, it created the square one, don't like it. I use the landscape and again paste that prompt. But the whole idea is good. Okay, in this image generation that we have in here, the whole idea is good. I just click on it and I will see it in this part. If I right click, I can save this image on my desktop. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. So I click in here and press on convert to video. So easy peasy, my image added, and in here I just press on generate. Okay, let's see the result. Good result. So I just right click and press save video as and choose the password. Because I need to vest the video, as you can see, I create another image and in here I press convert to video again. So, and change this prompt, the previous prompt that we have, and again I press on generate. Okay, let me tell you final things. The credit that you have is 50 credit per each day. So after each day, this credit resets and you will have a new fresh 50 credits. The point is each email that you have has this credit. So if you have, I don't know, 3 emails, 3 Gmails, you can use 150 credits per day. That's a cool option. And that's it. If this content helps you, don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch this video. On that one, I told you how to use AIs like Pro. See you there.